There's a revolution happening. Silent, invisible, yet unstoppable. This revolution is changing our world. Every city, every home, every person. It's everywhere. In your pocket, in your home, in every single choice you make, every single day. Artificial intelligence. This name is everywhere today. Example like self-driving electric car. What exactly is AI, and how is it reshaping all of humanity? AI starts with a question. Can machines think? Can they become like humans? AI mimics human intelligence through algorithms and machine learning. It observes, learns, and adapts, just like your own brain does, every single day. It processes data, finds patterns, and predicts the future billions of data points in one moment. From chatbots answering your questions to systems that recognize your face and recommend what you'll love next, it's everywhere, in everything. But AI didn't just appear overnight. It started over 70 years ago with dreamers and scientists who dared to ask, what if machines could think? First computers could play chess, then the question arose, what else can they learn? How far can they go? 1856, 1974, 2011, and then everything changed. Forever. Today AI has become the most powerful technology. Can learn, create, think. And this is just the beginning. Right now, AI knows what show you want to watch before even you do. Netflix recommendations your Spotify playlist? That's AI learning your taste in real time. Your navigation app always knows the fastest route. It sees traffic in the future, gets you there on time. In hospitals, AI detects cancer from X-rays faster and more accurately than humans. It is saving lives every single day around the world. Your bank is protected by AI. It monitors millions of transactions every second. It catches fraud instantly. Face unlock. Voice commands. Real-time translation. Shopping suggestions. Social feeds tailored just for you. In boardrooms around the world, AI predicts market trends, optimizes supply chains, and makes businesses smarter, faster, and more profitable. In factories, robots and AI work together. Production is faster, precise, and safer. Human and machine together. Students now have AI tutors available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Learning is personalized, adaptive, and accessible to everyone, everywhere on Earth. Artists and creators are empowered by AI, bringing their ideas to life faster, better. Imagination has no limits. Work, learn, create. Transform.ai is bringing new possibilities to every field, building a new future. But with great power comes great responsibility. Privacy concerns are rising. Surveillance is becoming ubiquitous and unchecked. Deepfakes make lies look like truth. Who do we trust? Where is the truth? This is a big question before us. Will AI take our jobs? Change is coming fast, but history shows that technology also creates entirely new opportunities. The real question is, are we ready? The future is not about AI versus humans, it's about partnership. Responsible AI, ethical AI, human-centered AI, built with empathy and wisdom. Imagine a world where AI solved every problem. Hunger gone, disease cured, education accessible to all. This is not a dream, this is the goal. The future shines brightest when humans and AI work as one. Together, we can make the impossible possible. No limits at all. The revolution is here. The future is now. And the most exciting part? It is only just beginning. This is a global revolution, and you are part of it. If you want to know about AI's future, ask questions, learn, move forward together.